Hello, everyone, my pretty little girls and my fair little boys, my gentlemen and their fair mothers. How are you? Assalamu alaikum. How are things going at your end? Just a second, let me move a little. Yeah, that's much better. So, how are you all doing? Today's story is Snippety Shears. Now, what does snippety mean and what does shears mean? Now, snip, the sound of cutting. You know, when you cut the grass and the hedges, you must have seen your gardener cutting that. So that sound, snip, 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 cut, 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 is the sound snippety. And snip is cutting with those, and big scissors that the gardeners use or the peasants or the farmers use to cut the hair of the sheep, and the gardeners use it to cut the hedges and घास को काटने के लिए और पौधों को काटने के लिए. So the name is cut, 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 snippety, 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 shears, big scissors. These are the shears. Can you see them? I can see them. Can you? Wow. Okay. So let's get started. Let's see what's happening with these scissors. Snippety's garden was in a dreadful mess. Now Snippety was not happy with his garden. He was very upset because it was in a mess. When is a garden in a mess? जब घास ना कटी हो, weeds ना निकले हों, और पानी ना दिया हो, पौधों को ना, edges को ना काटा हो. So you know that. Would you like going to a garden which is cut properly, or would you like to go to a garden which is not cut properly? Which has not been cut with snippety shears. Snip, snip, snip. Thank you for letting me have tea. You can sip your drinks. Have you called your friends? It's a Sunday to share the story together. Please wave to me. Okay. He had been away. Okay. The hedge wanted clipping, and the weeds had grown so tall, which were wild पौधे होते हैं, तो वो तो बहुत लंबे हो गए थे, and फूल तो उनमें छुप गए थे. One could hardly see the flowers. Please ask others to join in. Amna, Assalamu alaikum. What about the other ladies and children who join? I'm waiting for them. Thank you for joining in. He had been away on his holiday and he was very cross, angry, गुस्से में था, upset to see how untidy his garden was. I'm good, thank you, Amna. I don't feel like spending all the week clipping and cutting and clipping and cutting, he thought. I don't like that, right? I think I'll go to Puddle and Gnome and buy a pair of magic shears. मेरे ख्याल में मैं गॉब्लिन के पास जाऊंगा और पडल के पास जाऊंगा, वो भी एक गॉब्लिन था, and buy a pair of magic shears. उनके पास मैजिकल जादू वाली कैंची है. हाँ, then they can do the work and I shall be able to sit in the sunshine and read my newspaper. Okay, so he thought he wanted to sit and just watch them cleaning his garden, looking nice. So he went to Puddle's shop. It was a curious shop. बड़ी अजीब व गरीब थी वो दुकान. Hung with all kinds of things. वहाँ बहुत सारी चीजें टंगी हुई थी, pins थे, balloons थे. Puddle was very clever and he could put a smell into anything and make it very powerful. Abracadabra. Turn into this, turn into that. Thank you, Amna. So that's what he could do. So that's why, yes, Mr. Snippety went to Mr. Puddle. I want a pair of shears with a cutting spell in them, said Snippety when he walked inside the shop. Here's a fine pair, said Puddle, taking down a glittering, shiny pair of sharp-looking shears. Now his hand showing him shine करती हुई, चमकती हुई ग्लिटर करती हुई उसने sharp shears दी. How much? asked Snippety. 30 pence, said Puddle. Don't be foolish, said. That's far too much. Who said that? Snippety. It isn't. And you know it is not, said Puddle indignantly. It is not. Okay, why you couldn't buy these shears at even 50 pence in the next town? They would be 70 pence. What? Woo! Really? Snippety knew that that was true. So Snippety, oh, that's true. Puddle's shears were very good indeed, and the magic in them made them powerful. Abracadabra! Zoom! Snippety knew that that was true. But he was a mean little fellow. Who was a mean little fellow? What do you mean by mean? कंजूस भी था और कोई नरम दिल का नहीं था. was not a kind fellow. और रूड भी था और वो कोशिश करता था कि कम से कम पे करे, कम से कम पैसे दे. I'll give you 20 pence for them, he said, getting out his purse. No. Yes, said Snippety, not a penny more. No, I tell you, said Puddle, why these cost more than to make? उसने कहा मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ ये क्यों इतनी महंगी हैं. I don't believe you, said Snippety rudely. Puddle looked at the mean little gnome and felt angry. अब कौन angry हो गया? The gnome. Who was that? Puddle. All right, he said suddenly with a grin. All right. You can have them for 20 pence. Snippety smiled and, hi, Ambreen, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for joining in. और बड़ा खुश हुआ दिल में. कौन? Snippety. He had got his way. I got my way. He paid out the money, took the shears and went with them. But the gnome was had a plan. जब उसने दिया था तो वो हंस रहा था, grin कर रहा था. At once. And what did he stuck them in the grass and said loudly, shears, do your work. At once the shears began cutting the grass very closely. Snip, 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 cut, cut, cut. Pleased to think that he could sit down and read while his shears did all his work. So all he had to do was tell the shears, who Mr. Snippety, that come on, cut on, and they started cutting. Excuse me, can I have a sip? At once the shears began cutting like I told you. Hello Zainab, lovely, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the stories, and you can tell me what kind of stories you would like to listen to, and you can ask me questions, you can answer questions, and message me now, right now. Hello Aruj Naman, hello, thank you for joining in, Amber, Aruj and Amina and Zainab. All right. So Snippety watched them, pleased to. अब वो बड़ा खुश था. Oh, how nice. Okay, Zainab. And वो बड़ा खुश था और बैठ गया कि अब ये जो कैंची है, जो shears हैं, जो बड़ी सी scissors हैं, वो खुद ही काम करेंगे. When the shears had finished cutting his lawn, Snippety, this is where he's sitting, this is Snippety. Okay, Snippety saw them, and then Snippety saw कि वो एकदम से उड़ती हुई मैजिक से वो across the private hedge, और उन्होंने जो hedge थी, जो उसकी अपनी अंदर की hedge थी, उसको clip करना शुरू किया. He was delighted. Whoa! He was delighted. What a fine job they made of the hedge. और hedge उन्होंने बड़ी trim कर दी, cutely, neatly. I'll just finish the story in my paper and then set the shears to work on those tall weeds, said Snippety. देखिए उन्होंने कितनी अच्छी hedge काट दी, उसका grass भी काट दिया, ठीक है ना. अब वो बड़े खुश थे. उन्होंने कहा कि मैं थोड़ी देर अपना ये रीडिंग करूँगा और फिर उनको कहूँगा कि अब मेरे वीड्स जो वाइट प्लांट्स हैं उनको निकाले. But dear me, his chair was so soft and the sun was so warm that Snippety fell fast asleep. Who fell fast asleep? Yes, Snippety. Yes, Mr. Mean, Mr. Meanie, miserly, conjuice. He slept on. And the shears went on. और उसने शेयर्स को स्टॉप नहीं किया था. वो तो उसी मैजिकल ऑर्डर एब्रा कडाब्रा पे चल रही थी जिस पे नोम यानी कि मिस्टर पडल ने उनको डाला था. और जब ये स्नोर कर रहे थे, बड़े मजे से, गर्म धूप थी और मजे की चेयर थी, तो वो चलती गई. उन्होंने वील्स भी काट दिए. Then they clipped down all the rose trees and were so proud of and looked around for something else. और फिर उन्होंने रोजेस भी काट दिए. क्लिप उन्होंने क्लोथ्स लाइन, जो उनको बस ये मैजिक पता था ऑर्डर के, उन्होंने काटते जाना है जो भी उनको नजर आए. So the clothes line, you know what a clothes line is clothes line, वो रोप जिसको हम लटकाते हैं बैक ऑफ द यार्ड में या पीछे रूफ में ताकि सामने नजर ना आए, और उन पे हम कपड़े सुखाने के लिए डालते हैं. Clip, the clothes line was cut, and all the clothes fell to the ground. The shears soon cut them up into little pieces. They can't stop. They don't know, or they have the orders by the gnome, magical power wala gnome Puddle. Clip, cut, slip. Clip down came the net. Up in a tennis net काट दिया, and it was soon cut into tiny little pieces. Let's see what's happening. But what next? Oh, there was Snippety lying fast asleep. वो सर लंबे स्नोर कर रहा था. हाँ, and in the sunshine, his long white beard, you can see what long white beard he has. Can you see it? Oh, reaching almost down to his knees. The shears flew over to him. And clip. What did they cut? The beard was so... और Snippety was very proud of his beard. और उसको उसने काट दिया, और वो बहुत छोटे एकदम से जब क्लिप क्लॉपटी क्लॉप, तो इस शो ने स्निपेटी को जगा दिया. And he sat up. Hello Zaman Umair, how are you? Thank you for joining in. When he saw what the shear, लेकिन जब उसने देखा कि shears ने, बड़ी कैंची ने से क्या कर दिया था, क्या काट दिया था. Oh no. Hello Zainab. Yes, hello again. And Zaman. Stop. Oh, you wicked shears, look what you have done. You've taken off my beautiful beard. Oh, hello Mariam Shahid. Lovely to have you kids, Zainab and Zaman and Mariam. Oh, lovely. Hello. Send a wave. Say hello. You have taken off my beard. You have chopped my clothesline. You have cut down my rose trees. You have cut down my clothes. Oh, hello Mariam Shahid. Hello. And mera tennis net bhi kaati. Oh, stop. I tell you, stop. But nothing would stop. This is what happens if you're mean and unfair, right? So you should never be unfair, never be mean, right? Fair price dijiye. Yeah. But nothing would stop those shears. Clippity. They rushed at Snippety and cut off the points of his unhone uske pointy shoes ke edges bhi kaat de. Oh, thank you, Haroon and Hashir. What beautiful names. Welcome. Send me a message, Harun and Hashir, and tell me what kind of a story you want to listen to. The shears flew over to him. Clip, clip, clip. What did they do? The shoes के जो points होते हैं. और फिर उन्होंने क्या किया? Oh my God, oh my God. And then they snipped all the buttons of his tunic. और उसके जो उसने coat पहना हुआ था, Mr. Snipperty ने उसके buttons, pop, 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 came the buttons. Oh, and then they snipped all the buttons and clipped the point of his hat. Oh, look at his pointy hat. It was cut off too. Okay, then they snipped all the buttons. Snippety gave a yell and rushed up the road to Puddle's shop. Oh, no, no, stop those shears. He burst into the door of Puddle and closed it behind him. Good gracious, Snippety, whatever's the matter? Asked Puddle. It's those shears. Hello, kiddos. Okay, Roald Dahl's story short. I'll find out a good one. It's those shears, said Snippety, almost crying. They've got a spell to make them work, but not one to make them stop. Put it in at once. Puddle, look what they've done to my lovely beard. Puddle laughed till the tears rolled down his long. You know how Puddle is laughing? I'll show you. There is our gnome, Mr. Puddle. He's laughing. They got a spell to make them work, but not to one to make them stop. Put it in at once. Put it in at once. Look what they've done to my lovely beard. Puddle laughed. Till the tear, itna wo hasa कि they had tears down his cheeks and he plop, 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 teardrops गिर रहे थे. If you want another spell, it will be 10 pence extra. He said, I told you those shears were 30 pence. You know, you only paid me 20 pence and surely you didn't expect to get such a lot for your money. Will you pay me 10 pence more and I'll put a stop spell in the shears? तो उसने कहा ये 30 पेंस की थी और आपने मुझे सिर्फ 20 पेंस दिए. समझ आई? तो फिर क्या होगा? अब मैं पैसे मुझे दोगे तो मैं इनको रोकूंगा. I have been mean, said Mr. Snippety, and I'm well punished. Here is your money, take it. Puddle took it and then opened the door. The shears flew in. जैसे उसने दरवाजा खोला, zoom करके shears आ गई and they chanted some magic words. Ba ba ba, zoom zoom, cut up tap, tap tap tap. Oh, in a trice the shears fell to the counter and lay there quite still. Snippety picked them up and shook them. You wicked things, you wicked things! You have done pounds worth of damage. I'll put you in the dustbin. Don't do that, said Puddle. They might come in useful next year. Thank you, Zainab Asif. Thank you. You're my favorite people. Snippety picked them up and shook. Oh, I'll put you in the dustbin. Don't do that. So they might, said Snippety with a sigh. Yes, ये कल मेरे काम फिर आ सकती हैं. Oh, and put them under his arm. Well, I'm going back to clear up all the damage. Good day to you, Puddle. I shall not be mean again. अब मैं सही fair price दूंगा और just करूंगा, justice करूंगा. It does not pay one if one अगर कोई सख्ती करता है या झूठ बोलता है या ज़ाती करता है या unfair होता है या unjust होता है, so आपको नुकसान पहुंचता है. You can tell your parents that's what you learn and quite agree with them, don't you? आप agree करते हैं? Thank you, Zainab. You made my day. So how did you guys like the stories, Zaman and Zainab and Hashir and your brother? Oh wow, thank you so much for coming in. ask all other friends, cousins, neighbors, kids your age, a little younger, a little older. Let's have, you can have story time on parties. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed the story. Yes. And mind it, I take tuitions for English language and yes, literature from grade 11 to 5 or grade 5 to 11, just English language and English literature. Do call me on 0321 439 5535. 0321 439 5535. Okay? Oh, lovely. So next time, same time, best way to enjoy and sit and enjoy your story, isn't it? So see you around. Khuda Hafiz. Take care. And what is our motto? Yes, help your parents and be kind to people who are not very fortunate, who cannot afford to buy good food, to buy good clothes or shoes, or maybe they need homes. So look after yourselves, look after your country, work hard so we all succeed together and we become powerful like the shears. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.